Hey my athletes, welcome to this leg and thigh workout for women by CureFit. This is Nikki here and I'm going to guide you through this exciting and super fun workout. I am excited to bring you this 4 hand-picked workout movements that's going to do wonders to your lower body. We will be performing each movement for 45 seconds each with a 15-second rest in between. Okay, the best part of this workout is you do not need any equipments whatsoever. All you need is your body weight and you're good to go. Okay, so always remember, fitness is something that all of us should make a part of our lives. For all of you watching the video, join me through this home workout movements and I'll make sure that you feel amazing at the end of the workout. Also, make sure you grab a towel and a water close by. You will need it. Trust me, you will. Okay? Okay, without any further delay, let's begin our workout. Moving on to our first movement, that is called the sumo squat. Okay, the setup for this particular movement is your legs should be wider than your shoulder width, your feet pointing slightly outwards. From here, keep your chest out, spine straight. You're gonna go down, lower your body down, and then come up. Okay? This is called a sumo squat. Okay? 45 seconds on the clock, guys. Let's get started in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. And up. Okay? Now, sumo squat is a very good movement for your inner thigh. It's gonna target your glutes as well. You're gonna feel the burn in your quadriceps as well. Now, for my beginners, you don't have to go too low. Just do a partial sumo squat and then come up. Alright? Keep going, guys. I'm gonna show you the side as well. Down and up. And keep breathing. Good job, guys. Stay with me. Few more seconds. We're almost there. Keep smiling. Keep moving. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Good job, guys. Moving on to our second movement, that's called frog bridges. The setup for this is, first, you're gonna press both the soles of your feet together, open your thighs, let it fall, your elbows on the floor. From here, you're gonna lift your hip up and down. That's all right? So we'll begin in 3, 2, 1, frog bridges. Let's go. Up and down. And down. Okay, so this movement again is very good for your glutes, but to make sure your glutes is activated, at the top squeeze the glutes and bring it down. Okay, for my beginners, what you can do a normal glute bridge, palms on the floor, and take your hip up and down. Okay, keep going, guys. I'm gonna stick to my normal frog bridges. Keep breathing. Keep going. Almost there, few more seconds. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Good job, guys. 2 movements done. Okay, moving on to the third one. This one's called the quad rockers. So the setup for this is, first, you're gonna extend palms on the floor, extend your hand. Now from here, your knee is not gonna touch the floor. It's gonna be an inch off the floor. Push your hip back in such a way that your calves and your hamstrings are in contact. Okay, from here you're gonna shoot yourself forward, hips extended. Your shoulders are gonna go slightly ahead of your palm and then go back and forward. Okay, get ready. Quad rockers, 45 seconds on the clock in 3, 2, 1, let's go. And don't forget to breathe. Shoot forward, breathe out. Keep going. And remember not to touch your knee on the floor. My beginners can just go a little slow on this, but all my advanced athletes, let's amp up the intensity by increasing our pace. This is gonna target your quads. My quads are already burning. Keep going, guys. Few more seconds. Almost there. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Good job, guys. Lovely job. Moving on to our fourth movement. That's called the side plank. You're gonna hold 20 seconds on each side, all right? So the setup for this, keep your feet together, elbows on the floor, right under your shoulder. Now, from here, you can keep your hands on the hip and you have to lift your body up. Remember, when you're lifting your body up, from your head till your feet, it should be in one straight line, okay? I know it's a leg and thigh workout, but core is important, right? This is gonna target your obliques, okay? 45 seconds, 20 seconds each. 5 seconds will take to just interchange, okay? We begin in 3, 2, 1, lift up, and let's go. Remember to keep your core engaged, because this is gonna target those obliques. If you want to challenge yourself a bit, lift your hand up, okay? Stay there. Okay, for my beginners, you can drop down to your knees and just stay this way, okay? Okay, we'll interchange now. Moving on to the other side, and up, stay there. Like I said, beginners can just drop your knees and just stay this way, okay? I'm gonna challenge myself a little bit, hands up. Remember, from your head till your feet, it has to be one straight line. Keep that smile intact. 5, 4, 3, 2, and there you go. 4 movements done and dusted. Before we move on to the last movement, I would like to invite you all to the CureFit app and request you all to try our CureFit Live there, okay? Here you can work out with amazing trainers who are going to guide you in your fitness journey. If you download the app through the link in the description or the first comment below, you will get a free access of 14 days to our app, okay? Now, moving on to our last and the final movement, that's called the curtsy lunge. Okay, so the setup for this is first, stand with the feet shoulder width apart. Now, from here, take one leg back, yeah? Imagine you're doing a curtsy, yeah? So remember, when you're doing this, your back knee should be quite close to your front heel, okay? Then come up, then switch to the other side, okay? 45 seconds on the clock. We begin in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Curtsy and up. If you want to challenge yourself, try not to touch your knee to the floor. Even if it's touching, it's fine, okay? Now, for my beginners, what you can do is you can just do a normal reverse lunge, where your back knee is just below your hips, okay? Okay, I'm gonna stick to my curtsy lunge. This is gonna target your quadricep. You're gonna feel it on your glutes as well. Keep going, guys. Almost there. Last movement. Chest out. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Done, guys. We are done with this workout. Remember to add this to your personal playlist so that you can come back and do this workout 4 to 5 times a week for a month, all right? Also, do remember to repeat the entire workout. Each movement, at least you try to do for around 4 to 5 rounds each so that you can get the best results, all right? Let us know in the comments below how you found this workout. Stay tuned to our CureFit YouTube channel. Like the video, share the video across with your friends and family. Save the video either in your watch later or create a new playlist altogether so you can come back and work out with me again, all right? Don't forget to subscribe to our CureFit channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us. Until next time, guys, take care. Cheers, guys.